Hello everyone. Happy December 9th. Today we celebrate pastries, anti-corruption advocacy, and Christmas cards. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Pastry Day. Flaky layers of sweet and savory joy. A great gift could be a pastry baking kit, a gourmet puff pastry box, or a patisserie cookbook. Which pastry wins your heart? Let's fold the comments. It's International Anti-Corruption Day. A call for integrity and transparency. A thoughtful gift could be a civic education book, a donation to watchdog groups, or a journal for ethical leadership. How do you champion integrity? Let's talk in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. Christmas is 16 days away, and every act of kindness brings us closer to a meaningful holiday. It's Christmas Card Day, a heartfelt tradition of handwritten cheer. A sweet gift could be a card writing kit, festive stamps, or a calligraphy set. Who's on your card list? Let's spread cheer in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for January 6th to 10th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.